Got a little lawnmower maintenance today up in the shop. I was cleaning up the mower after my last ride around the yard. There's my little mower, John Deere GT 225. And I pulled the deck off, cleaning it off, and found some holes that don't look very factory to me. Probably to match all the other holes that I've had. This bracket here fell off once. Had a guy weld it on with another plate. I blew out another hole there and bent a piece of aluminum and pop riveted it. And now I've got some more here. So the right thing would be probably to patch it, weld in a new piece of plate, maybe inside and outside, or maybe screw or pop rivet a panel in there. But I'm gonna do the wrong thing probably, and I'm just gonna patch it with the only thing I got handy, which is this composite aluminum and plastic board called Rhino board. We used it in the field when we would make panels on job sites, but it's a pretty durable product. Real rigid, about an 1/8 inch thick. Got a skin of aluminum front and back with a piece of plastic in the middle. And I think I'm just gonna caulk it right to the panel. And the product I'm gonna use, it's called Masterseal TX1. It's a polyurethane sealant, and it's a pretty durable caulking, really strong. And of course, the main reason I'm using it is because it's the only thing I had in the house, so I didn't want to go buy anything, so I'll use this. But it's very durable, very strong. It's what holds windshields in cars. So if it's good enough for a windshield, it should be good enough for that. So to prep it, I just ground down all the old dirt and rust that was around it, sprayed some primer on it, both on the underside and on the side, and then I painted it with a little bit of yellow, just so I'm not caulking to dirt and anything else. So I'm just gonna run a little bead of caulking around it. Probably flip it up and do the same on the other side. Oh yeah, it's gonna have lots caulking on the bottom side. Yeah, this deck's about 23 years old. It's seen better days, but I don't know if I want to be replacing it. Liquid weld, maybe? Sort of a improvised JB weld. I think it's going to work just fine. Run a little bead around it. Get a little tool, make it look pretty, because we all know that's important when you're patching holes on your lawnmower. That looks lovely. And the right thing again would be to wait till that dries and then paint it. But I'm going to do the wrong thing and paint the wet caulking. Oh, that looks brand new. Flip it up and tool the underside. See if it will stay there. Oh yeah. Just like frosting a cake. I'm actually curious to see how this holds up. I sprayed a little bit of primer on this bottom side. I did grind it, try to get some of the dirt off, and then primered that little spot here. But urethane, or at least polyurethanes, are very strong. So I'll be curious once this sets up, cures out, just how long it's going to last. That looks good. Got a little hole there, I'll do. I think that's it. Pretty easy fix if it lasts. Heck yeah. That looks great. Quick and easy. And I bet you it lasts. Might do a little follow-up on it next summer after a few mowings, but I don't even think I need to anchor that. I think another coat of paint after that dries and it'll look great. So yeah, I'll let you know how it holds up. Thanks for hanging out.